How to download Wells Fargo bank statements. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download the statements of your Wells Fargo bank. So to do that, first of all, open up the Wells Fargo app on your mobile device and simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, tap on the menu option on the bottom right corner of your screen and then tap on the option Statements and Documents. Now once you've done that, under Statements, tap on the Statements option. After that, you'll have to select an account of which you'd like to access or download the statements. So in my case, I'll simply choose my everyday checking account. After that, you'll have to select your statement type. So it can be a monthly statement, yearly statement, or a weekly statement. Now if you want, you can also select the date range. Let's say from May 1st to May 31st, 2024. Now once you tap on the option Show Statements, it'll show you the list of all of the different statements you have on your account on the selected date range, and then simply tap on this little icon right over here and your statement will be downloaded to your phone. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.